All right. So there's so many digital marketing agencies. And the question is, what makes Hennessey Digital special? I could probably list off a whole bunch of stuff that makes us special. And is it really special? I think it's special to us. But without kind of working at other agencies, I truly don't know like what's special about them. I think everybody has their unique, special kind of characteristics. But I'll tell you some of the things that we're proud of at Hennessey Digital. We're super proud of our culture first and foremost. There's the old saying that, if you take care of your employees will take care of your clients, and then everybody's happy. And so we kind of like live with that motto, I guess, if you will. We really, go to bat for our employees, not just from a cultural perspective, but we have a director of people success. She's actually now the VP of people success. And every year, when we look at how well we did, we give her a budget to make the lives of our employees that much better. So what does that mean? It maybe includes better health benefits. It may be days off for people when they have babies, or days off when they buy a new pet, right? A dog or a cat, or increasing the match on a 401k, right? So all that stuff, like every year, we're trying to kind of make the lives better of our employees. From a client perspective, we take great pride and ownership in their business. We know that when people hire Hennessey Digital, they are kind of putting their life like literally in our hands, right? That's what feeds their family. That's what feeds all the family of all of their employees, right? And so we take that responsibility very serious, and we do everything that we can to try to increase the return on investment that they get when they hire us. We're not perfect. We're going to make mistakes. We're always going to be honest. We're always going to be transparent. But in the end, I think you would like our people. I think you would like our services, and I think you would like our company. So if you're in the market, be sure to reach out.